Oh, God! Good morning, YouTube. It's your guy, Lockout Man, right here in the truck, and I'm back at you with another reaction video for this morning. Hey, I hope your day is going real good today, just like mine. Woke up this morning with the bright sun of God in my face. You know what I'm saying? He wake me up this morning. He was like, yo, it's time to get up and it's time to make this money. I was like, yeah, it's time. It's time. Yeah, let's do that. But I hope you guys having a blessed day today. I hope you guys' day is going better than this officer's day right here, man. Check out this dude right here. I don't know what happened. What made this guy snap? Man, I mean, everything was just going good. The officer was doing his job. The truck driver was, pretty much, recording him and, taking the information and everything. But the truck driver just snapped and attacked the dude like, yo, I'm coming after you. And you know what happens next. Of course, the cop, fearing for his life, had to take the man out.
Okay, sir. Your credentials back. Here's your ID. Okay, we received a citation today for the no-through truck zone. If you follow the prompts on that form, I'll tell you how you can take care of it. What's the last four of your social security?
I don't know what.
You don't know it? Okay. You have a number you could be reached at?
No.
No?
No.
Okay. Okay, you are receiving a summons today for criminal mischief. I will need a signature at the bottom here. It's just acknowledgement of, it's not an admission to guilt, just acknowledgement receipt. Okay. Okay, we'll have to make a mandatory court appearance at New Philly Muni Court, July 3rd at 1 p.m. Okay.
Oh, God! God!
Okay.
Oh, God!
This dude, Elijah Collins III, he was killed by the officer up in Ohio. He was a 32-year-old truck driver from High Point, North Carolina. I don't think it was. I don't think it was that serious. I mean, he could have just went on ahead, took his stuff. Excuse me. He could have went on ahead, took his stuff, and went on about his business. But no, he had to snap and attack the officer with a screwdriver, and if you could tell, he stabbed the officer. So here's the video. Guys, react to it. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And I'll come back at you guys with another video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. If you like videos like this, yo, help a brother out. Subscribe to the channel. Support the channel with some coffee. And yeah, I'll get back at you guys. You guys have a blessed day. Peace.
Okay.
Oh, God! God!